Welcome back to 听不懂 Chinese. Today we'll talk about Chinese dynasties. So the first one we're going to talk about is 夏朝, Shang Dynasty. 夏朝 is considered to be the first dynasty in ancient China, which lasts for almost 500 years, including 17 different emperors. The most famous emperor was Yu, who is famous for introducing flood control by making canals to divert water. He was known as 大禹治水. 大禹, his name, 治水 means control water. After 夏朝 is Shang朝, Shang Dynasty. Shang Dynasty, which lasted around 600 years and had 30 different emperors. The most famous emperor was Shang Zhou. The next one is Jo Dynasty. Jo Dynasty ruled for over 800 years. It is classified into Western Zhou and Eastern Zhou. Western Zhou, 西周, Eastern Zhou, 东周. The Eastern Dynasty is divided into the spring and autumn period, 春秋时期, which is 770 BC to 470 BC, and the Warring States period, 战国时期, which is 476 BC to 221 BC. The country split during that time. After Zhou Dynasty, it was Qing Dynasty, Qing Chao, one of the most famous emperor Qin Shi Huang, who standardized weights and measures. The first construction of the Great Wall of China was built during that time. And then is the Han Dynasty, Han Dai or Han Chao. There were 24 emperors in around 400 years, and the Emperor Sui unified the northern and the southern China. The next one is Sui Dynasty. Sui Dynasty only lasted for 38 years but had 3 emperors. Emperor Yang was killed by one of his subordinates. After the short dynasty of Sui, Sui Chao, then came Tang Chao, Tang Dynasty. Tang Dynasty is known as the Golden Age of China. The most famous and only female emperor who ruled China was in the Tang Dynasty. Her name is Wu Zetian. After Tang Dynasty, the country split again. Then it was 5 dynasties and 10 kingdoms. 五代十国, which only lasts for 53 years. After that, it was the Song Dynasty, Song Chao, which is separated into Northern Song, 北宋, and Southern Song, 南宋, with history of 319 years. It was a very prosperous time. After the Song Dynasty, it was the Yuan Dynasty, Yuan Chao. Kublai Khan from Mongolia had the biggest emperor in history of China. Marco Polo traveled across the Silk Road to China during this period. The next one is the Ming Dynasty, Ming Chao. Ming Chao strengthened and extended the Great Wall. They built the Forbidden City in Beijing. The Ming Dynasty was famous for the porcelain and ceramics. The Qing Dynasty, Qing Chao, was the last imperial dynasty of China, established in 1636 and ruled China from 1644 to 1912. The Qing Dynasty had to open its doors to the other countries due to the Opium War, which lost the faith of the people in the Feudal Dynasties, which gave rise to the first government of China. After the Qing Dynasty, it was the Republic of China, 中华民国. The Republic of China saw the country's first president, Sun Yat-sen. Sun Yat-sen was a statesman, a doctor, a philosopher, a revolutionary, and highly revered through the country. The last one is the Communist Party, 共产党. The Communist Party came to power after the Second World War and have been in power ever since. Thanks for watching and remember to subscribe. Bye bye!